Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix your keyboard. If your keyboard is giving you the wrong key, take for example you press window key and what you are saying is S, or you press spacebar, what you are saying is full stop, something like that. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. First of all, we'll go to notepad, then I'll press my window key right now and I'm getting B. Okay, I'm pressing my L key and I'm saying 4. I'm pressing my space bar and I'm saying full stop. Okay, the best way to fix this, they might tell you to troubleshoot your keyboard. That might work, but in most cases it doesn't work. So the best thing to do for you to fix your keyboard is to right click on your window icon, come to device manager, then go to your keyboard here. Okay, then right click on this one, go to properties, driver, then try and update your keyboard. If your keyboard is out of date, when you click update it should update and that might fix the problem. But these guys, they don't release hardware updates often, so it is best you just go to option 2. That would totally fix the issue. So all you need to do, just click on install device and click on install. The moment you do that, it will reset your keyboard back to default and your keyboard will start functioning correctly. And that is it. You're welcome.